In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your salary on Glassdoor. Sharing pay data helps others understand the market while keeping your identity private, and the process only takes a couple of minutes. First, sign into your Glassdoor account. You need to be logged in with a registered account to submit salary information. Once you're in, head to the top right corner, click your profile icon, and choose Reviews and Contributions. On that page, look for the Add a Salary button and click it to begin. Quick note before we continue, I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor, plus the official mobile app download links, right at the top of the description. Use those to open the site or install the app and follow along easily. Now, start by entering the basics. Type in your employer name, your job title, and the location where you worked. These fields are required because they help group your entry with similar roles, so people can compare apples to apples. Use the exact job title used by your company and the city or metro area where you performed the job. Next, add your pay data. Enter your base pay, select the correct currency, and choose the frequency, like hourly or annually. Pick the currency that appears on your paycheck so the numbers are accurate. If your pay varied during the year, use a typical or average figure. After that, include any extra compensation you received, such as bonuses, commissions, tips, or stock options. If a category doesn't apply, you can leave it blank. These optional fields give a more complete picture of your total compensation. Then add a few job specifics: your job level, your years of experience, and whether you were full-time, part-time, or another status. Job level can mean entry, mid, senior, or manager, depending on how your company defines it. Choose the option that best matches your role at the time you earned the pay you're reporting. Before you finish, review everything for accuracy. When it looks correct, confirm your details and click Submit. A few important notes as you wrap up. Glassdoor does not display personal information alongside your salary. You can add data for a current or a former role. Salary figures are generally based on full-time annualized amounts, and entries typically meet a minimum of $15,000. That's all you need to add your salary on Glassdoor. If this helped, give it a like, share it with a friend who's job hunting, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.